All right, let's talk about what everyone wants to know right now. When is that sweet, sweet tax refund hitting your bank account? If you're waiting on your 2025 tax refund, here's the exact schedule, IRS updates, and insider tips to get your money faster. Stick around, because this could mean getting paid weeks sooner. Let's go. Section 1. How long does it take to get your tax refund? First things first. How long does it actually take to get your tax refund? The IRS processes most refunds in 21 days or less if you file electronically and choose direct deposit. Paper returns? Well, they're like sending a letter by carrier pigeon. It could take 6 weeks or longer to get your money. If you haven't e-filed yet, that's your first money move. Section 2. 2025 Tax Refund Schedule. Now, here's the part you came for. The 2025 Refund Schedule. The IRS officially starts processing returns on January 27, 2025. Depending on when you file, here's when you can expect your refund. File between January 27th and February 2nd. Refund by February 16th. File between February 1st and February 8th. Refund by February 21st. File between February 9th and February 15th. Refund by March 1st. File between February 16th and February 22nd. Refund by March 11th. File between February 23rd and March 1st. Refund by March 21st. File between March 2nd and March 8th. Refund by April 1st. File between March 9th and March 15th. Refund by April 11th. File between March 16th and March 22nd. Refund by April 21st. File between March 23rd and March 31st. Refund by May 1st. File between April 1st and April 7th. Refund by April 21st. File between April 8th and April 14th. Refund by May 1st. File between April 15th and April 21st. Refund by May 11th. File between April 22nd and April 28th. Refund by May 21st. File between April 29th and May 5th. Refund by May 29th. File between May 6th and May 12th. Refund by June 1st. File between May 13th and May 19th. Refund by June 11th. File between May 20th and May 26th. Refund by June 21st. File between May 27th and June 2nd. Refund by June 29th. File between June 3rd and June 9th. Refund by July 1st. File between June 10th and June 16th. Refund by July 11th. File between June 17th and June 23rd. Ref. 3. February 9th. Refund by February 23rd. File between February 10th, February 16th. Refund by March 2, and so on. Keep in mind, weekends and holidays can cause slight delays, so be patient. But if you're claiming earned income tax credit or additional child tax credit, your refund might be held up a little longer. Section 3. Why some refunds are delayed. Not everyone gets their refund on time. If your tax return has errors, missing info, or identity verification flags, the IRS will take longer to process it. Also, if you claimed the EITC or ACTC, the IRS is required by law to hold refunds until at least February 27th to prevent fraud. If that's you, expect your refund in early March. Section 4. How to get your refund faster. Want your money ASAP? Here's how to speed things up. 1. E-file and use direct deposit. Paper returns take forever. 2. Double check for mistakes. 1. Wrong digit on your bank info? That's a refund disaster. 3. File early. The earlier you file, the faster you get paid. 4. Use the IRS Where's My Refund tool. Check your status online instead of calling because IRS phone lines are not fun. Section 5. Final thoughts and call to action. Now you know exactly when your refund is coming, how to get it faster, and what to do if there's a delay. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more people can see it. Drop a comment below. When are you expecting your refund? And what's the first thing you're spending it on? Let's talk money in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more money tips that help you build wealth and stay ahead. See you in the next one.